Over the past 5 years, I've installed a lot of different kitchens for my projects, from custom to big box and IKEA. And for most of my projects, from fireplace feature walls to coffee bars to full-on kitchens, I still choose IKEA. I run Thompson Transformations, and I build everything from custom installs to full kitchens. So when I say I still use IKEA, there's a reason. First, it's cost versus value. IKEA kitchens are significantly cheaper than a custom kitchen install, and when installed properly, you can't even tell the difference. That's the key. Install matters more than the quality of the cabinet. First, cost versus value. IKEA kitchens are significantly cheaper than custom installs, and if installed correctly, they don't look cheap. That's truly the key. The install matters more than the cabinet. Secondly, flexibility. IKEA system is modular, so that means I can design around almost any space. And when you do a lot of renovations and remodels like I do, that is huge. And third, the look. Most clients want clean, modern installs, and IKEA kitchens do that very well. And fourth is speed. Compared to full custom cabinets, these go in way faster, which saves time, which in turn saves the client money. Now, they're not perfect. You're dealing with particle board, and they take time to assemble. And poor assembly equals a poor final product. But when they're installed properly, you get a high-end looking kitchen for a fraction of the cost. I've worked with all types of kitchens, and I keep coming back to IKEA. Not because they're perfect, but when you use them properly, they just make sense. And for a lot of homeowners, that's the smartest move you can make. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below, smash that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, hit that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.